Hello, welcome to the lesson on Linux commands. This is the part 2. So we are going to learn how to work with directories and files in this lesson. So go to Linux terminal, all of you. Click on Linux terminal. Now we are going to create a new directory. Okay, what is the current working directory? To check current working directory, type here pwd. So the current working directory is /home/pi. Now in this directory, we are going to create a new folder or new directory. Okay, so do that all of you. So mkdir is the command to create directory or to make directory. So mkdir space give the name of the directory or the folder that you want to create. Suppose I'll be giving here Appleton. So Appleton is the name of the folder we'll be creating. So after creating the directory, so in this directory you can create any file. Okay, so now Appleton is the directory in /home/pi. Press enter now. Now you can check the list of files by using the command ls. So now you can see here the newly created directory or folder Appleton. So in this way you can use mkdir to create files. Now how to navigate to this particular file Appleton. So we want to access this particular folder by using command prompt. How to do that? You can use cd command, that is actually change directory command, to move around the file system. Suppose you want to access the files in desktop, so you have to use cd to go to desktop. So open the Linux terminal. So in this Linux terminal, so we'll be changing directory to the desktop, cd desktop. So now we are in the desktop directory. So you can see pwd. So this is the current working directory. This is /home/pi/desktop. Okay, you can see the files in this by using ls. There are no files on the desktop. Suppose if you want to go back, okay, so you can use cd ... so that you can go back to the original current working directory, that is actually pi user directory. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, we already created a directory called as Appleton. So we'll change directory to Appleton, cd Appleton. Now in this Appleton directory, we'll be creating another directory by using mkdir innovations. So this is another directory we have created inside of Appleton. So you can check list of files inside of Appleton. So inside of Appleton we have a folder innovations. This is a directory we have. Okay, so now what we are going to do is, so we are going to create a text file inside of innovations. Okay, so change directory to innovations now, cd innovations. Now we don't have any file inside of this ls. Now check the current working directory. So current working directory is /home/pi/appleton/innovations. Now I'll be creating a file, text file, by using Nano editor. So we are going to discuss about Nano editor in the coming sessions. So Nano hello.txt. So this is a text file we are creating. The name of the text file is hello.txt. Okay, so now press enter. Now I'll be typing some hello, welcome to IoT using Raspberry Pi, IoT using Raspberry Pi. So this is the text. Okay, so now I'll be saving by using Ctrl+O and press enter, Ctrl+X. Now we have this file. You can check ls. So we have the file hello.txt. Okay, sometimes we want to see the content of the file. Maybe this is a text file or a Python program, or sometimes this can be a C program. Okay, so how to check the contents of that particular file? Okay, so there is a command called as cat, and then you have to give the file name hello.txt. Now you can see the contents. So the contents are hello, welcome to IoT using Raspberry Pi. Right, all of you. So this is the content of this file. Okay, so I hope all of you are able to understand. Right.